Okay. So start it from the beginning, huh? Okay, so bringing the layer properties dialog box, we need to go on layer properties, click on layer properties, then we will find out the dialog box. Okay, other way you can bring it by pressing the LA option. Okay, L for layer, LA for layer properties managers, the same dialog box will come. Okay, so here we need, first we need to think about a drawing, then we need to separate the drawing elements in several groups. Okay, then we need to create different layer according to the of those group. Okay, so here is the thing. Okay, make it clear that first we need to think about a drawing. Okay, and every drawing must have same kind of components, right? Suppose for a building plan there are several number of wall, several number of windows, several number of doors. Okay, which is in the same group. Okay, the door we can separate the door, or we can identify the door in a same group. Okay, we can bring in the whole window in another group. Okay, we can mark the wall in another group. Okay, so we need to create different number of layer according to those group. Okay, so for an example, I'm going to layer properties manager, and here I can, by default, a single layer will given here. Okay, all the objects will creating now on based on 0 layer. Okay, now we are going to create a new layer. Okay, so click here to create a new layer. It's come, and the name is layer 1. Okay, so layer 1, the name, rename the layer 1 as wall. Okay, then take another one. By clicking here you will get another new layer, and I'm renaming it by window. Okay, another one, I'm taking this one as door. Okay, this layer has accessed, I want to delete this layer, just select this one and click on here, then it will be deleted. Okay, another layer, it's called furniture. Okay, then take another layer, electrical. Okay, then another layer like dot line. Okay, then another layer use as wire. Okay, so I'm thinking about a drawing, and in that drawing this kind of object will exist. That's why I have created the number of layer according to those objects. Okay, now what I'm doing, I'm modifying these layers in different ways. Okay, as I have said that in previous, that we can make the object difference by changing the color, changing the line type, and changing the thickness of line. Okay, so in these parameters we are going to change those parameters for every layer. For door, I'm taking the color, see the color dialog box, I'm taking the yellow color. Okay, yellow or orange. Okay, for dot line I'm taking a dark color. Okay, I'm just taking. Okay, for electrical I'm taking the green. For furniture I'm taking the ash. Okay, for wall I'm taking the red, and window taking the cyan. Okay, and for wire I'm taking the blue. Okay, so I have taken all the colors in different different position. Okay, now what I'm going to do, I'm going to change the line type of these objects, but it is not important to change all the objects line type. Okay, in a single object, in a single drawing. Okay, suppose this dot line demands a dotted line, so I need to change the line type. Okay, so go on the line type option, just click here, then you will find out the line type. If there is no dot line, then you need to go on load, then select that line type. Okay, then okay, then it will come here. Okay, but at this position I need to select the dot line only, so select, then then okay. Okay, it has used the dot line. Okay, uh, in the same way I need the wire in a different line type. Okay, it will be on dash line. Okay, so select the dash line, then okay. So I have changes the line type, 2 layers line type. Okay, it's demanding. It is not necessary that I will change all this line type. Okay, but all of these will be continuous line. Okay, then the line weight is about the line thickness. Okay, so going here, all of these layers are not demanding the demanding the various line type. I will just change the wall line type because I want to see the wall in a bold position. Okay, so I have taken the line type as 0.35, then okay. This way I can change all of the line type, but it is about the demand of drawing. Okay, so I just change the wall line type only. Okay, after creating all these things, it is about the modify layer. Okay, so I have created the layer, I have renamed the layer, and I have modified the layer. Okay, it's clear about that? Okay, so this way I can modify any layer. Okay, after that, after finishing all of these things, I just need to close it. Okay, so close it. After closing, where I will find that layers which I have created, I will find out here. It's called layer showing bar or current layer bar, it says. So the name of this bar is current layer bar. So from the current layer bar you will find out all those layers you have created. Okay, including the zero layer. Zero layer is the base layer of your drawing of AutoCAD pages. So select. Now you need to make current layer. Okay, from the current layer bar you need to make current layer. What is current layer? Current layer is the layer which you are going to use. Okay, suppose I am going to create the wall, then I should select the wall layer. Okay, suppose I am going to use the window, going to create the window, then I should select the window layer. Okay, in this way you need to select the current layer which you are going to create. Okay, so but the condition, there will be no command taken, there will be no object selected. Okay, without. Okay, now my cursor is free, then I will go here and I will take the layer. Okay, this way I can make only the current layer. If there any object will select it, or if there any command will taken, it will not work. Okay, so for making the current layer you just need to release all the commands, then go here. Okay, but releasing, the method of releasing all the commands, just press a escape button. Okay, then it will release all the commands, all the selected object. Then just go here and select the layer. Okay, now my current layer is wall. Okay, now I'm going to create the wall. Okay, before creating the wall I'm going to set up my unit. I will use the engineering option, then select, and I will go through the inches. Okay, and okay, then I will create the wall with a rectangle. I'm taking here 15 feet longitudinal or in the x-axis, then tap, then 12 feet in y-axis. Okay, so here is a rectangle come, then take the offset option. It's offset, you know offset. Okay, O enter, then the difference 5 enter, then select an object. Okay, I have created the wall. Okay, my wall is done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the door. Okay, so before creating the door I want to create the opening. So take the wall, position here and connect it. Okay, you'll see, make the copy. I know turn method ortho is on. So what is the width of door? It's 40 inch. Okay, enter. Then suppose I'm going to create the window opening here. Okay, then select, make copy, which is about 5 feet in width. Okay, then select both of them, then make copy. I want to use another window in this wall, so I have copied that, I have rotated that, and now I'm going to move that. Okay, in a right position where I want to create that. Okay, now take the trim option. You want to see it again? Okay, so take the trim option, TR double enter. Okay, is the trim, then select and select. Okay, then select. Okay, the opening has created. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the door. Okay, select the door option. Now first you need to create a frame. Okay, it is about the concept of drawing. Okay, it is not necessary that the door frame must be like this. Okay, so it's my drawing and I'm going to create that. Okay, so which I'm going to do, I'm going to create a frame. Okay, it's 2 inches and 4 inches and go again 1 inches and 1 and here. Okay, done. Now this frame is need to make on opposite side also. I'm not going to create it in opposite side, so I will mirror it. Okay, I have taken this reference line and take the mirror from the midpoint. It will mirror on the same end point. Okay, then delete this line. Okay, I have done the framing. Now I'm going to use the door. Okay, I have created the door. I want to see it open, so select and rotate. Okay, it is open. Now I want to show the opening way. Okay, this way door is opening and closing, so I need to select the arc. Then I want to show that on dotted line. Okay, select the dotted line, then take the arc option. Then from start here I need to turn off the ortho, because ortho is not give me the access to take the middle points. Okay, so turn off the ortho, then select and this one. Okay, now the line has come. Okay, now the arc is in dotted line. Okay, so I have done. Now I'm going to create the window. Take the window option, then take a rectangle. Okay, from here to here, and I'll take a line. I'll make the copy. Okay, now the window is done. Okay, turn on the ortho. Now select all of them, make copy in here, then rotate them. Okay, then establish them on points. Okay, done. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to create the furniture. Okay, take the furniture layer. Okay, then first the furniture will be the bed. Okay, so select and start here the bed size. Okay, I'm taking the 5 feet as in x-axis, then tap, then 7 feet on y-axis. Okay, I've done. Now take the offset option, then I'll take the offset as 2, then select and move inside. So first I'm going to the shape of the bed sheet. Okay, now I'm going to create a pillow here. Make the mirror in the same position. Okay, now take the trim option. I will not see these points. Okay, now the bed is done. Okay, I want to establish in position. Okay, now I want to create a bedside table. So I'm taking the and 1.5 will be the radius. Okay, okay, now I'm going to create a sofa here. Here. Okay, that's all. Now take I'm going to create also a wardrobe. Okay, here first take this spline as a texture of wardrobe. Okay, 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 so I have done all these things. Now I'm going to create a number of electrical equipments. Okay, we're going to create some electrical equipments. Okay, first we're considering a fan, ceiling fan. Okay, so I'm going to create it in outside because I don't know the exact measurement. I will create it as imagining. Okay, first I'm going to create the center and I'm going to use a select yeah, it's a fan. I'm taking the mirror option for the circle. It will go on opposite side. Okay, and here is the option called blend curve, right? Blend curve will use to join. Okay, select and use the polar array. Okay, we know the polar array. Yeah, how many number of items I need? 3. Okay, okay, then close it. Okay, repeat. I have created this one. Is there any question? I have created this shape. Okay, is there any question? It's understandable. I have just created a free line. Take this option and here, from here I just create here and here and okay, every time. Okay, now you need to use the mirror from the center point. Okay, then use it. Okay, here, then use the blend curve to join it. Okay, first line and second line. Okay, then use the select all of them and make join. Okay, J enter. Now it has joined. Okay, it has a single object now. Okay, J enter. Just J enter. You know, check the modify option and here is the join option. Okay, so select and now you need to use the polar array. The center point is specified, the number of item it will be 3, enter. Okay, then close it. Okay, now the fan size is bigger than the room. Okay, then I need to scale it. Select and go to scale and select the position. Now I'm going to reduce it in 0.5. Okay, now it's still big. Okay, so again take the option 0.8. Okay, select and 0.6. Okay, now it's fine. Okay, move it here. Okay, now use a switch, is a light board. Okay, here I'm taking the light here. Okay, now I need just to make a switch board. These are the switches. Okay, make copy. Okay, now I need to make connection. Okay, I will connect it through wire. Okay, so take the spline option and connect it. Okay, okay, I finished all. Okay, it's a complete drawing with kind of option. Okay, so this is about how we use the layer. Okay, so let me show you some more thing. Okay, is the drawing will look like this. Okay, select this one and transform them on 0 layer. Okay, so which is the better option? Okay, see the first one, obviously the first one, and the first one is clear about that which equipment which is, and here all the line thickness is same, all the line color is same, all the line type is same, so you cannot define that which is line, which is not line, which is my drawing object, this one is not my drawing object. Okay, this one is a way, so I have selected that on this way. Okay, this one is not on ground floor, that's why I have taken a dashed line. Okay, this one is another kind of object, that's why I have changed the color of this object. These all are same equipment, is about furniture, that's why I have taken the color of this. Okay, the wall is so important here, that's why I have make it bold. Okay, I have highlighted that. So these are the situation. Okay, this is the professionalism of a drawing. Okay, you should make clear about any object which you are drawing. Okay, okay, now the drawing says that I am this kind of object. Okay, you don't need to say, you don't need to make understand anybody to that this one is mine, this one is this one is this one is this. Okay, so this is clear. Okay, we have finished all the modifying tools, we have finished all the drawing tools. Okay, now we can design anything. Okay, yeah, you need to do such type of things. Okay, and you are able, now you are capable to do such type of things. Okay, now in forwards we will see how to modify the drawing. Okay, every creation method has finished. Okay, every creation method will finish from the modify tools. When we finish the modify tools, all of these things, now I have seen how to use them. It's an example that how we create the objects. Okay, so I hope this is yeah, I can make. Okay, yeah, I can scale, just scale it, but it will be on non, then it will not in scale. Okay, now this is perfect and this is the real scale. Yeah, no problem. In AutoCAD you need to create all of these things as real parameters. Okay, now when you are going to present them, then you can scale that. Okay, you can present them at all. Suppose you are going to present a drawing in this page, in a A4 page or in a A2 page or A3 page. Okay, then you need to scale that. Okay, that is the publishing moments. Okay, we have a special class on publishing, how to publish the drawing. Okay, so there is no confusing matter, but there is a clear method that you have to drawing every object in real scale method. Okay, in real height, in real width and real parameters. Okay, there is nothing about scaling by designing things. Okay, while designing things there is nothing about scaling. Okay, there's everything is about according to the measurement, according to the real measurement. Okay, so that's all for today. We will see the layer option. There are some remaining layer option. Okay, layer is not about using the color, using the line type, using the line thickness. It's not about that. Okay, it's more about that. We will see it in our next class. Okay.